Put an onion on the bottom of your feet to get rid of cough. Hey, there. Ever wondered about the power of an onion? Let's delve into a surprising remedy for cough. Onions are rich in anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for soothing a pesky cough. Here's how to use it. First, cut a fresh onion into thin slices. Make sure they're thick enough to feel underfoot, but not too chunky. Then, place the onion slices in your socks. Make sure they're on the bottom part of your foot with a thin layer of cloth between your foot and the onions. Go to bed wearing the socks. The onion works its magic, pulling toxins from your body while you sleep, and cough significantly reduced.